What's going on, guys? Out here in Chicago again, moving around. Horrible weather, as you can see. We had snow for the past 4 or 5 days last week. Now we have rain over snow with fall. Go figure. Welcome to Chicago. But anyway, I'm out here moving around. Got to go show this house. Have a tenant, a prospective tenant coming by. She just called to confirm. Also, I want to talk about this DJI Ronin thing. I'm confused. I'm conflicted. I'm impatient. Let me get to the house and we'll talk about it. What's going on, guys? Made it to the house. Got a good feeling about this one. I asked the young lady to give me a call 30 minutes before the time she's supposed to be here, which was noon. She actually called, and so that's always a good start. And she called back to change the time because she said she hated being late. So that's a good thing. So anyway, while I'm waiting, what's on my mind is the DJI Ronin-s. Now, it's what looks like it's going to be a game-changing, single-handed, with the option to be a handlebar type gimbal for DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. And I don't have one. You know, I've been using a combination of the Manfrotto 4-section monopod with the Manfrotto 502AH video head and switching out between the Cam TV, the small handheld gimbal. It's small, it works, but it's small. And so it's not as stable as a glide cam would be. Anyway, my point is this, is that I have some projects coming up and I really need a gimbal. And the more and more I think about it, I could probably do away with the monopod, obviously the Cam TV H4 stabilizer, and the Ronin-s would work out great. The only problem is we're not expecting to get anything on that until the second quarter of 2018. My dumb butt thinking that we're going into the second quarter, but the second quarter doesn't technically start until April. So now I'm kind of having a feeling. Don't tell anybody I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'm fiending and I need a stabilizer because I just need one. So my question is, should I wait? My question to myself is, should I wait? Because I'm really thinking about pulling the trigger on the Feiyu A2000. It looks like it will really handle and do everything that I need a small gimbal at this particular time. And I just have a feeling that I'm gonna pull the trigger on the Feiyu A2000. The minute I do that, here comes the Ronin-s with a compatible price and this and that. But in the meantime, I have projects that I need to get done. Could I probably get by without a gimbal at this point? Yeah, I probably could, but would it step my production value up 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 notches? Absolutely. So anyway, that's pretty much my rant for the day. I hope everything is well with you. I got to figure out what I would do. What would you do if you're considering the gimbal, or if you were considering the gimbal, if you're thinking about the DJI Ronin-s? Would you wait for it if you have projects coming up, or would you go ahead and pull the trigger on another gimbal like the Feiyu A2000 and get it done, and then maybe sell that and then upgrade to the Ronin-s, assuming that it would be better? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for me. I'm gonna shut it down, do a little cleaning before this prospective tenant gets here. Hope you have a good day. Be safe, whatever you're doing. Enjoy yourself. Life is short. All of that good stuff. Peace.